So this is my shower before I'm going to install
backer board. Here on a shower head pipe I put a little bit of silicone, and now I'm going to put the cement board in order to get the signature of the water pipe on the cement board. So here we putting the backer board in order to get the signature where exactly is the water pipe touch the board.
You can see this is the mark from the caulking. This is the mark to be marked with measurement. That's the real mark that we arrived. So you can see they're actually very close. So as you can see, we took the mark a little bit down because we want to put the backer board a little bit up between the gap of the ceiling and the stud. So we're going to cut it now. To make the hole for the shower, we're using this drill 1 1/4,
because the shower head adapter is 3/4 of an inch and we need 1/4 of an inch from each side of the pipe. Make sure that the bit is exactly in the center where is the hole. Before we installing this Hardie backer board, we just see if it's fit, and as you can see, it's fit almost perfect.